So I just want to shoot this video quickly just to sort of give some motivation today. Maybe someone out there is going to needs to hear this today, and that's the point, isn't it? So there's a quote, it's pretty quite popular on the internet. You might have seen it, but the quote is, "If nothing changes, nothing changes." And you know, I heard that a few months back, and it actually really hit me. And it's right, you know, if you're sat here now, your 50s, your 60s, and you're not happy with the way you feel, the way you look, your physical health, your mental health, your financial health, your relationships, if you're not happy with any of that, what do you think's going to happen in the next 15, 20 years if you don't do something about it? What's that going to look like 15, 20 years from now? You know, think about that. If you don't change now, if you don't start working on whatever's bothering you, whatever is depressing you, whatever is making you unhappy, or is giving you anxiety or stress, what do you think that's going to look like 15, 20 years from now, when we're old and we're older? We haven't got the energy, we haven't got the vitality we've got now. What does that look like? For me, that's a scary place to be. I ain't going there. So I'm making changes now. I'm working on my health, I'm working on my wealth, and I'm working on relationships, because they're the three main pillars, I think, to sort of build on for happiness, especially as you're getting older. So that's it. I just wanted to put that out there today. Hopefully that finds someone today that needs it, and you know, it gives you that little push or that little thing, instant flick of, right, yeah, I'm doing something. Just think about that today. Just reflect on it for a second. If I don't change what I'm unhappy about, what does that look like? Think about it. See you in the next one.